in the shells. Okay, so we are completed with the garage build now, fully done. So let me give you a little tour of what I did. We'll start over here. As you can see, I mounted all my tools there, put some storage up top there, garage door, everything's painted. We put some of my muscle machine cars, all the tuner cars that I have from a long time ago. Put up a stoplight and it's actually functional. It works. Put up some more here. As you can see, I mounted the bikes onto the shelvings there. You see both bikes there. Got room for the motorcycle. Put some bins in, and this is the shelving that I fully finished, built, and painted. This is a table that I use to build with. I got my saw on there. It's actually on wheels, so I could just roll it outside and cut out there so I don't get all the dust in here. Built this little thing here just to hold the garbage can. Got some extra bins right now up top, more storage, kayak up there. Got a little space I left here for the ladder. And that's about it. It's complete. Storage down there. As you can see on this side, I did a little rack to hold all my brooms and car washing stuff. Still not sure what I'm gonna do with this cabinet and these lockers or these bins. This is staying, but as far as this stuff, I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. Got my hurricane shutters up, tucked in the corner there, and that's about it. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I'll be coming with more content on the car, and that's about it. Appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day.